Okay, let's talk about something I think, well, everyone has struggled with at some point. Wrestling with a photo, trying to cut out the
Oh
background.
yeah, the jagged edges.
Exactly. Or those impossible bits like wisps of hair. It's maddening. It can take forever.
Definitely. A simple task suddenly eats up your whole afternoon.
Right. But what if, like, that whole painful process just disappeared,
Hmm.
done automatically in seconds?
I don't know.
So today we're doing a deep dive into exactly that. AI background removers. We really want to get into what they are, how this clever tech actually works, and why it feels like they're suddenly changing the game for photo editing for, everyone.
That's a great way to put it. Because fundamentally, an AI background remover is, well, it's a smart tool. It uses artificial intelligence, machine learning, to look at your photo, figure out what the main subject is, could be a person, an object, anything, and then it just removes everything else. Poof.
Leaving just the subject.
Exactly.
Yeah.
You get a clean, transparent background, usually saves as a PNG file.
Right.
And the really cool part is how it does it. These things are trained on, thousands upon thousands of real pictures.
Wow. So it learns from actual photos.
Yeah, tons of them. So the AI learns to recognize people, products, sure, but also the subtle stuff, like how shadows fall, the texture of clothes, those really fine edges.
Okay, let's unpack this. How does this powerful technology manage to do this in seconds? And what makes it such a game changer? I mean, beyond just being fast.
Well, the speed is obviously huge, but the real magic is in that deep learning. It's not like the old tools, where you're clicking around trying to select colors or draw lines.
Right, the magic wand tool that never quite worked.
Exactly. This AI, it learns to understand the image.
Hmm.
It sees context. It knows, okay, this is fur, even though it's almost the same color as the carpet behind it. Or this is the edge of a person's shoulder, even though it's a bit blurry.
So it's not just pixels, it's like structure,
Yeah.
form.
Precisely. It develops a kind of intuition for depth and boundaries based on all that training data. That's how it can nail those complex details, hair, semi-transparent things, you name it.
And that's why it can do in, what, less than 5 seconds?
Yeah, usually under 5 seconds. What used to take a designer, maybe 10 minutes, 30 minutes, sometimes longer for really tricky images.
And probably with more consistency, I'd imagine.
Absolutely. Less human error, more predictable results. It's a massive leap.
That shift from minutes of painstaking work to just a few seconds, it really changes who can do this kind of thing. So who's really benefiting here? What does this mean day to day?
Well, the impact is pretty broad, honestly.
Yeah.
It sort of democratizes photo editing,
How so?
Think about, say, small businesses, e-commerce sellers. Suddenly they can create professional-looking product shots for Amazon or their own website, like instantly.
Right.
No need to hire someone or learn complex software.
Okay, yeah, I can see that. Big advantage.
It's huge. Or professionals, maybe updating their LinkedIn profile. You can get that clean, polished look with a uniform background super easily now. Makes a real difference. And designers, they save hours prepping images, cutting things out for ads or presentations. They can focus more on the creative side.
Freeze them up.
Totally. Even students making a collage or a school project, just click, grab the subject, done. It makes powerful editing tools really accessible. One click, often free, no watermarks, works on your phone or computer.
It's pretty amazing. It's taking something that felt specialized, almost like a craft, and making it effortless.
That's the core of it. Ease of use, speed, accuracy, all wrapped up.
So what does this all mean for you listening? As we see AI step in and simplify these tasks that used to demand specific skills, like photo editing, just think about where else this might happen. In your job, your hobbies, your daily life. What other complex things that seem difficult right now, could AI make straightforward, even effortless for absolutely everyone? What new possibilities does that open up? Something to think about?